Well, the cold air has arrived and it is here to stay. Why? Because we have two more cold fronts on their way. So it's going to be cold front after cold front has moved throughout the rest of this week and honestly into the early parts of next week as well. So here's what it's looking like right now. This is the cold front that was approached us overnight last night and has pushed out now approaching the southeastern portions of Florida. So we're already getting in on those lower temperatures and those temperatures will continue to drop as we move throughout the rest of tonight. Into tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. We're going to kind of be stuck in a little bit of a holding pattern for the next few days until that second cold front arrives around the Wednesday-Thursday mark. That's going to sweep through and could definitely give us some showers, maybe a possible few rumbles of thunder every now and then through Wednesday and Thursday. But then once that one passes, we're going to get another blast of cold air behind that one. Is another one on Saturday. So here's what temperatures are going to be looking like overnight tonight. Everyone will be well into the 30s. South Georgia, most likely everyone getting in on freezing or sub-freezing temperatures. Possible for the Big Bend as well. Around 34 is coming dangerously close to that freezing temperature. I wouldn't be surprised if some of us across the Big Bend do reach at least 32 degrees as well. But if you noticed, if you stepped outside today, it was pretty windy out there. I know it was around 60 degrees in the capital city this afternoon, but when you factored in the wind chill, it felt a lot more like 50 degrees. So overnight tonight, when we factor in the wind chill as far as when we're getting into those 30s, it's going to be around the 40s as far as temperatures go around 10, 11 o'clock tonight, but it's going to be feeling like the 30s already by around 10, 11 o'clock, especially up in Moultrie. Look, already feeling like 30. So once we get around our lowest temperatures for the night, which is usually around 6 a.m., this is what it's going to be feeling like out there. 20s for everyone across the area. 22 is looking like the coldest in our very northern neighborhoods, but nonetheless, it is going to be a very cold morning. I know cold weather shelters are opening up across the area. If you need a list of those, we do have a full list on our website. So if you do need to look into those, you can find those there. Two of our counties are in cold alerts, including Eccles County, which is in a freeze watch for temperatures as low as 28 degrees are possible. And a freeze warning is in Clinch County as temperatures are expected to get as low as 30 degrees. I wouldn't be surprised if these cold alerts do start to shift westward and kind of expand. I'll continue to watch it as we move throughout the rest of the night, but as of right now, those are the two main counties that we are watching for those cold alerts. But I'm not going to be surprised if they do start to expand, especially Monday night into Tuesday. Everyone going to be getting even lower. Temperatures tomorrow will be staying in the 50s for everyone across the area. That wind is still going to be around, so it's going to be feeling a little bit chillier out there. Monday night into Tuesday expected to be as cold, if not a little colder than tonight. Then when we approach Wednesday, another cold front sweeps through, dropping our highs to the 40s and low 50s come Thursday.